Dear brothers and sisters, today I will say something that will touch the depths of your heart. The person who once loved you deeply, the person who once found the happiness of their day just by looking at your face. Why is that person today neglecting you, distancing themselves from you, not giving you the importance they once did? But friends, if you listen to this video with full attention today, and if you bring just a few small changes into your life, yes, just for a few days, you'll see the person return to you. They'll love you again like they used to. That love will return to their eyes. So let's learn. How can you transform yourself? 1. Step back a little, self-distance. Do you know when people truly realize the value of someone? When that person takes a small step back from their life. When you're always around them, always replying to their messages immediately, always checking on their well-being. They start to take it all for granted. From today, create your own busyness. Take a little longer to reply to their messages. If you never slept without saying goodnight before, today sleep without saying it even once. You'll see, they will feel a kind of emptiness forming. They will start to wonder, do you not love them the way you used to? They themselves will start coming back toward you. 2. Work on yourself, self-improvement. The person neglecting you will only value you when they see that you're busy with yourself. Bring a new confidence to your face. Change your style of dressing. Join a gym. Focus on your body. Make yourself more beautiful, smarter, more attractive than before. The human mind is strange when they see you're focused on yourself, that you no longer chase after them. They'll start chasing after you. 3. Change how you speak. Change communication style. When we love too much, we sometimes forget our own respect while speaking. We plead, we beg. Please understand me. Please give me time. Friend, not like this. From today, change the way you speak. Speak calmly. Express your opinions clearly. Don't plead. Instead, let your personality shine through. When they see that you prioritize your own self-respect, they will start respecting you again. First, show your positive side on social media: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you are. From today, post pictures of your happy moments, share your achievements, your smiling face. Not to annoy them, but to remind yourself that you can be happy and to show them that your happiness doesn't depend on them.
When they see that you're doing well despite their neglect, their heart will ache. They'll think, am I losing this person? Am I making a mistake? 5. Set your personal goals. Set personal goals. Always remember, love is a part of life, not life itself. The person neglecting you today may be confused or tired, but why should your life stop? From today, ask yourself, what are your dreams? Who do you want to become? Set small goals, a better job, learning a new skill, reading a new book, creating something new. When they see you're on the path to fulfilling your dreams, they'll want to have their place in your life again. 6. Silent power. Do you know? Sometimes silence is the greatest answer. Don't fight with them. Don't complain. Quietly focus on improving yourself. Your silence, your transformation, your confidence, one day it will be visible in their eyes. They will realize their mistake. They will want to come back to you again. Final words, friends. The person who once loved you like crazy, they will start loving you again. Just bring these changes within yourself. Stay busy with yourself for a few days. Make yourself better than before. Become the kind of person whose loss someone fears deeply. The person neglecting you today, one day they will look at you and say, why did I ever neglect you? Dear brothers and sisters, if you're hurting right now, listen to this video not once, but again and again. Start changing yourself, and you'll see the world will start smiling at you. If these words touched your heart, then write in the comments, I will change myself, and share this video with your loved ones. Stay well, love yourself, let love win. And notes for the video, don't forget to subscribe, so such inspiring videos always reach you. Like, comment, and share. Tell us about your life experience in the comments.